The power of thinking. The moment you lose control of your thoughts, you begin losing control of your life. That is how silently everything changes. Not because you lack talent or opportunity, but because the voice inside your mind slowly convinces you that you are not enough. Every dream begins to feel impossible before you even take the first step. But what if the greatest power you will ever possess has been with you all along? Your mind is more than a place where thoughts appear. It is the place where your future is created. Every action starts as a decision. Every decision starts as a thought. Change your thinking, and you begin changing the direction of your entire life. Fear tells you to stay where it feels safe. Thinking tells you to explore what is possible. Doubt reminds you of every failure. Thinking reminds you of every lesson. The difference between the life you have and the life you want is often one courageous thought followed by one brave action. Imagine standing in complete darkness. You cannot see the road ahead. Then someone lights a single candle. The darkness has not disappeared, but now you can take one step, then another. That is what powerful thinking does. It does not remove every obstacle. It gives you enough light to keep moving. Stop letting yesterday decide tomorrow. Stop allowing fear to write your story. The world will always have opinions, but your future belongs to the voice you choose to believe. Protect your mind. Feed it with purpose. Challenge every limiting belief. Replace "I can't" with "what if I can?" Because that single question has changed countless lives. One thought can become one decision. One decision can become one action. One action can become a completely different future. Everything changes the moment you realize your greatest strength is not what you own, where you came from, or what others think about you. It is the way you think when life becomes difficult. Think bigger. Think stronger. Think beyond fear. Because the life you dream about is waiting on the other side of the thoughts you choose today.